Man, these are so soft and comfortable. Oh yeah. I can't see anything. It's legit blackout. Can't see. What is up, guys? It's Chris with Everyday Chris, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for home, tech, and everyday life. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys slap that subscribe button and like the video if you guys care about good sleep. If there's any early birds out there or anyone doing the graveyard shift or on call, you guys know how important it is to have a good night's sleep. We're always looking for ways to make it pitch black so we can fall asleep faster, whether it be a sleep mask or even blackout curtains. As a lot of you know, I sleep while you grind. That's right, you heard me correctly. I'm usually in bed by around 6:30 or 7 p.m. That's right, p.m. That means the sun is still shining and the world is wide awake. I found ways to help me fall asleep faster, like the Hatch Restore or the Bose Sleep Buds 2. However, the real piece of the sleep puzzle I was missing was a sleep mask. This is actually one of the most important pieces to falling asleep because it's very difficult to fall asleep when the sun is still shining and it's super bright in your room. The only way to fall asleep is to Jedi mind trick your mind into thinking it's dark outside so that it can start relaxing and release melatonin. I've honestly tried at least 5 different sleep masks on Amazon. Some of them were good, some of them weren't so good. I've had one that I've had for a few years now, and I do love that mask. However, the quality wasn't the best and the nose bridge piece kept coming apart, letting in a lot of light. I've also tried sleep masks that look like boob cups or a bra, and that one made my eyes so hot I felt like my eyeballs were sweating. Others also seemed like a great choice. However, whenever I laid on my side, I could feel the buckle hitting my ear or the side of my head, and it was super uncomfortable. Then I saw the Manta mask and I reached out to them for a sample, and they happily obliged with one of the best customer services ever. When I was looking through the website, I was happy to see a company that actually focuses on people's sleep. And that is their only goal. They focus on sleep masks as well as sleep aids and ways to stay asleep and fall asleep faster. And their website has so many options. Maybe a little bit too many options because I was a little bit confused on which type of mask I should buy. There's a regular mask, a slim mask, a max mask, a weighted mask, a hot mask. I mean, there were so many. I've had the Manta mask now for about 2 months and I finally had time to review them. And all the prices range from around $40. The 2 masks I decided to try out was the Aroma mask as well as the Max Manta mask. I chose the Aroma mask because I love the smell of lavender. It's so relaxing. And I was curious to see how they implemented the smell of lavender into a sleep mask. As well as the Max Manta mask, thinking I would need extra room for my eyeballs just in case my eyes got super hot while I was sleeping. When the items finally came, I was pleasantly surprised. Everything was extremely customizable. The eye cups came in a different box than the straps, and you can easily customize everything, making it fit to each individual face, which is crazy. You can easily customize it and strap on the Max eye cups to the lavender head strap. Also, who would have thought you can customize the eye cups because everyone's faces are so different. And the craziest part is these eye cups are super breathable, so my eyes didn't feel hot at all. Also, it's so soft and it's made of this foam that feels like a pillow. And the best part of all is it lets in 0 light. I didn't see any light entering, and as long as my eye cups were pressed against my nose bridge, no light entered through the nose bridge like most face masks. The eye cups are attached with Velcro, so it's super customizable. The Max eye cups are great if you want space in your sleep mask to blink, or if you got on them sexy fake eyelashes and you don't want to ruin them sexy curls. Now let's talk about the OG Manta strap. My biggest issue with all sleep masks is that it always hurts the side of my head or my big ears whenever I lay on my side. However, with the Manta mask, I didn't have that problem at all. It sits super flush against my head, and it just felt right whenever I slept on my side. The mask is super comfortable to wear the entire night. Not only that, there's Velcro to customize to each individual head shape, as well as an elastic band to kind of adjust it easier so that when it fits onto your head, it doesn't hurt as much. And of course, it's super easy to wash for all you sweaty sleepers out there. But honestly, I'm so glad I purchased the Aroma head strap because that head strap is a game changer. I initially got it for the wife, but I ended up using it all the time, and I don't care if it's purple. The difference between the aroma mask and the regular sleep mask is that the aroma mask has a little pouch in front for the lavender satchel. And man, I have lavender plants at home, and the lavender satchels legit smell like dried lavender. It smells natural and not synthetic at all. Also, the smell isn't overbearing, and when I first put on the mask, I can smell the lavender, but after a few breaths, it does go away. The lavender satchel lasts about 3 months, and for me, I still smell it. But if you want to recharge it, you can simply place it in the microwave for 5 seconds and you're good to go. This has seriously upped my game because a lot of times I'm way too lazy to turn on my oil diffuser. The missus and I have had these for a few months now, and the only regret is I wish we had gotten these sooner. If any of you guys out there are serious about sleep and hate it when the light enters through the nose bridge, or it's super uncomfortable when you have the sleep mask on, seriously consider looking into the Manta mask for purchase. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and I hope to see you guys next week.